know why I have that song stuck in my head. The sun, these glasses so cute. They're like so cute. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's mukbang is something very delish. I have some granola, strawberries, and some cottage cheese, and to drink water. Oh. So I don't know. I have such a sweet tooth, and I'm just like, oh, your girl's not about to eat like cookies or anything. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna whip something up, something good and healthy, and then I'm just gonna eat. So let's eat. Okay. And obviously, as you guys can see, I'm not wearing black today. I'm wearing this, like this pink. Get it? Like a pink sweater. But yeah. So, and honestly, I was craving something so sweet, so I put a little bit of honey. Let me just fix this real quick. Okay, the table seems kind of weird. There we go. There we go. Today's kind of hot. It's kind of hot today, to be honest. I'm just like, what am I wearing? You know? This is so good. So good. Oh my god. I know this mukbang is going to be a little short, but okay. Maybe this cottage cheese doesn't even, it's expired. It's bad. But oh well. I'm just kidding. I don't know, it tastes different. But yeah, it's still good. Or is there stupid cat hair? If you guys hear music, I'm so sorry. It's my neighbor downstairs. She lives downstairs. And every morning she puts music. No. No. Oh my god. Okay. Makeup for the day. Look at this, you guys. The black is fading away. And I'm getting like this grayish. I'm actually digging it. Can you see? But yeah, today's makeup is like a long liner. I don't know. I was just like a fast, let's go. I need to go and take my daughter to school like now. I feel like this is such a healthy, I mean, it's just like a sweet yet healthy, whatever you want to call this. Oh my god. I gotta tell you guys. I self-tanned last night. And I'm like, okay, like I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna exfoliate, whatever. I'm about to tan and I have no gloves. So what do? I give it a couple pumps and look at this. Okay, I need to show you. This is so funny. Look at that. I missed this whole spot right here. So it looks like, I mean, this color is beautiful, right? But look at that. I thought that was so freaking hilarious. I was like, my friend said, oh, what are you doing? And I sent her a picture of me, like, laying on my couch. And I'm like, wait a minute. This picture looks funny. I'm like this. And this is like a different color than this. Like, right? Can you guys see? I don't know why, but I feel like the color is just so beautiful. And like, especially on your legs. Like, I'm gonna do this. Can you see the line? I think it's like the muscle or whatever. You can kind of really see right here. You know? But as soon as I go like, hold on. When I do a fist, can you guys see? Especially like on the legs as well. But I need to self-tan tonight as well. But look at this. Such a beautiful color here. It was very blotchy, to be honest. It's such a beautiful color. Okay, let's do the other side. You see the color? It's just so beautiful. I love it. Especially like on my legs and stuff. Because we might go clubbing this Saturday. So that's gonna be fun. Really? Look at that. It's disgusting. It's like a nice color, but what the hell? I should have had gloves, but I didn't. So I was like, what the hell? It's not gonna be so bad. And look. It was bad. Oh my god. Dude, I look orange and my fingers look extra bony. Although I have to say, you guys, I'm pretty sure I lost a couple pounds. I did this 25 day of, I did a 21 day of cleansing, and it seems like I did lose weight. So, I'm happy because I was gaining weight, but food is so good, like, honestly, like, I'm addicted. But this is so good. So good. I can't. Did I say put some granola in here? Well, I did. Oh god, that was so delicious. Thank you. Let me just fix. Look at this. Can you guys see the difference? Although sometimes I think I want to be this color, like my face. Okay, so, okay, let me just, I'm rambling. Okay, guys, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. And until next time, bye, guys.